popular charismatic megafauna. Tigers are widely featured in ancient mythology and folklore in various cultures and historical ranges. Tigers are often depicted in modern films and literature. The tiger also appears on the mascot of sports teams. The tiger is a national animal in India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, and South Korea. The tiger was first described scientifically in 1758 and was once widespread from the East Anatolia region in the west to the Meow River Valley in the east. Tigers are Central Asia, as well as on the islands of Java and Bali. Tigers are also depicted in most areas of Southeast Asia, South Asia, and China. Today, the tiger's range is fragmented, stretching from the temperate forest areas of Siberia to the subtropical and tropical forests of the Indian subcontinent, Indochina and Sumatra. The tiger is listed as an endangered species on the UN Red List. In 2015, the worldwide wild tiger population was estimated to be only around 3,062 to 3,958. Most of the tiger population living in isolated small enclaves. India currently has the largest tiger population. The main causes of tiger population decline are habitat destruction, habitat fragmentation, and poaching. Tigers are also the cause of human conflict, especially in countries with high human population densities. The tiger, Panthera tigris, is the largest living cat species of the genus Panthera. Tigers have distinctive stripes on their fur, and dark vertical stripes on orange fur, with white undersides. Tigers are apex predators. They mainly prey on ungulates such as deer and wild boars. Tigers are territorial animals and are generally solitary predators that are solitary, but still have a social side. They stay in adjacent areas to support food needs and raise offspring. Tiger cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years, then they will live independently and leave their mother's home range to build their own home. Another term for tiger is tiger, which is taken from Javanese language, but now people only think that tiger is of the type Panthera pardus and all its subspecies. In fact, this Labrador Panthera pardus can be called a tiger if you add its last name, namely leopard. The name Harimau itself comes from the Malay language. It is also used to refer to the leopard, namely the star tiger.